How to collect emails on Wix Mailchimp. So simply click on add apps, and then here you're gonna have to search for Mailchimp, and then here you're gonna have to basically choose one of these. So this is, as you can see, Mailchimp forms, or you can simply choose this. Basically this will you're gonna be able to implement your Mailchimp account and features into your Wix website, as you can see, and you can collect emails, send SMS, etc. So you're gonna have to simply click on add to site, and then you're gonna have to log in into your Mailchimp account. So now we're gonna have to wait until this loads up, and as you can see, you're gonna have to log into your account or create a new account, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.